So, where are they?
They said 3 o'clock. We're early.
Good afternoon. All set?
Fine.
Wonderful countryside. Have we much further to go?
Oh, about 2 minutes. We're nearly there.
How long have you been in business?
As long as digital television. Over 20 years now. Of course, today we're in digital film and print as well.
You must have been one of the first companies into digital.
Actually, we were the first. We have a lot of firsts at Quantel. Now you can just see it ahead. That's our headquarters over there.
So you're a British company? Do you design the equipment here?
Yes. This is the heart of Quantel, where we research, design, and manufacture.
It's a big place.
It's bigger than you think. Shall we go in?
That's why we came.
Okay. Hold tight. What are they for? Innovation. Let me show you. This is our demo center. There's some image retouching going on.
Now that is fast.
That's the fastest print resolution system there is. There's someone demonstrating a domino. That's our film effect system.
I saw that at the cinema. Did you do that?
Our equipment did. We design image manipulation systems for any medium. In simple terms, Quantel processes digital images. We invented it, and we believe we do it better than anyone else. We do it for print, for film, and for television. The applications may be different, but it's still all about doing new things with digital images. Great work, isn't it? What our users seem to like is the way our engineers understand their problems and design machines matched to those needs.
It's amazing what some good software can do.
It's a lot more than just software at Quantel. Let's go to research and development, and you'll see what I mean. It's here that all our products are born. These are our image cards. Let's take a closer look. Just some other visitors. We keep the jet for people who are in a real hurry. The point is, at Quantel, we don't start with a standard computer and write software for it. You simply can't get the performance that way. Our approach is to design a seamless mix of purpose-built hardware and software working together.
But if you want integrated hardware and software, don't you have to build it yourself?
Absolutely. We never design down to a budget. We never build down to a budget. Our commitment is simply to build the best. No compromises. be honest, much of what we build is so advanced there simply isn't anyone else with experience to make it for us, let alone to our standards, which makes the machines very reliable. In fact, we launched Harry 10 years ago now, and practically every single one is still out there earning. It's the same with paint bombs. Ah, this is an interesting area. These guys operate 24 hours a day, offering technical support worldwide. This engineer is looking at a Henry, checking the disk directory.
But where's the Henry?
Argentina. We can phone directly into our products anywhere in the world, identify faults, and often fix them there and then using remote diagnostics. But whatever efforts we put into the design and manufacture of our equipment, it's what our customers can do with it that really counts.
Point taken. What are they doing?
Yeah, it looks like they're doing us.
Don't be silly. If they were doing us, then we wouldn't really be.